Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. When you buy a pack of barbecue ribs from a store, usually the size is too big to finish all at once. So today I want to show you how I remake the barbecue rib with some vegetables to make a totally new dish. And this time I'm using the barbecue ribs that I bought from Costco. I'm going to pull the meat apart from the bone because it's easier to eat that way. Don't worry about the shape. Once you add it with vegetables, you won't mind the different shape. Make sure that you get the bones out completely. Actually, the most difficult part about this dish is deboning the meat from the bone, because once you have the meat, it's really easy to cook. So once you've deboned all the meat, transfer it to the original packet because there's a lot of sauce in the bottom. And make sure the sauce is evenly spread all over the meat. In a pan, add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to wait for oil to heat up. In the meantime, I have here already chopped green onions, regular onion, carrots, and cabbage. You're not limited to this type of vegetables. Use whatever you have in the refrigerator. Onion is a must because it really goes well with barbecue pork. But other things, whatever is available. Add the green onions first, and the carrots and cabbage. You don't need to cook the vegetables too long because you want to taste the vegetables in nice and crunchy way. So as soon as it feels like slightly turning color, then you can add the pork. Pour it in there. Just to help with the seasoning, I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon of water to really cook vegetables well. This is almost like Chinese stir-fried vegetables with barbecue pork, but in a very simple and easy way that you can make at home. This is good as it is, but if you want a little bit of a spicy kick, I recommend that you add a little bit of gochugaru. This is obviously very optional. Here I'm going to add a tablespoon of gochugaru. So add the gochugaru, and you'll get a very nice spicy pork with vegetables. If you don't have gochugaru, I guess you can use cayenne pepper, or if you have really hot and spicy mustard, you can add a spoonful. That kind of adds to the spiciness. We're finished. Maybe you cook it on the stove for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. It's done. And of course, with any Korean food, you have to finish with some sesame seeds. A lot, yes. Here we have very tasty, spicy pork ribs, maybe ready in like 5 minutes. We actually eat it over rice, also as almost like a tteokbap, and it tastes really wonderful. So let me try some. I don't really like to overcook my vegetables. I like to have the taste and crunchiness of the vegetables intact. So. It's got that sort of a sweet taste of the barbecue, but because of gochugaru, it's got that spicy kick at the end. So it's wonderful. Enjoy!